What is up guys, this is Tito back with another video, and today in this video I'm gonna be talking about a topic that I have been noticing recently about the drivers availability of the Infinix laptops. So let's begin. I have been noticing some of the big YouTubers actually claiming or actually not suggesting the Infinix laptop in comparison to other laptops. They have formatted their Infinix laptop and they just couldn't actually find the drivers. That's why they end up with the trackpad not working or some of the other things also not working or something like that. So I got actually worried because I bought this laptop with my own money. It's not a sponsored video or anything. I will be talking about every detail that I could find upon researching about this particular topic about the drivers of the Infinix laptop. Of course, you can check out my full review of this Infinix Y4 Max laptop that I have been using right now for about 4 months, I would say. And you can check out all the related video to this particular laptop that I have made in the description. And you can say this is an experiment that I did with my own money because I wanted to see how the brand is actually working on these particular laptops, how a phone brand is actually doing it, because they are very competitive towards the pricing of their laptops, even when you compare it to the Xiaomi laptops, to the Realme laptops, or even to the Honor laptops. Now let's talk about the specific model that I have over here, the Infinix Y4 Max. And for this specific model, I was actually searching for the drivers, and the website was not really very easy to find, but I actually could find it by Googling it, of course. And with that website, I actually went into it, and when I went into it, I did not actually find the Infinix Y4 Max kind of drivers. And I could see the other laptops that Infinix have launched in the past, but I couldn't simply find this Infinix Y4 Max because I think it was very early when at the moment I was trying to actually search the drivers. But I think they should have provided the drivers right from the day of launch, or at least right from the day that the laptops are being sold, in my opinion. But even after 2 months the laptop is being sold on Flipkart, I couldn't find the drivers, and that's, you can say, it's a red flag. And then I actually emailed to the Carl Care kind of service, I think, and that is the Infinix India support kind of mail. And there, after emailing, they actually reached up to me, and that was actually quite a few days later, I would say. It was not very fast response, and even with that response, I thought they were very cold about it, like just visit the service center, they will provide you the drivers, or they will just take care of it, or something like that. They actually said that in the email, and I thought that's not really a very productive kind of experience for buyers or for the consumers, that if they have somehow formatted their laptop and if they need the drivers really quickly, they just cannot bring the laptop to the service center right away. So that's why I thought that is not the best step, and that's why I actually went to the website again after receiving that email, the driver kind of website. And after that, in that website, I saw the drivers appeared. So that was really nice. They couldn't just tell me that the website does have the drivers right now, or they have upgraded the website. I thought that's a weird kind of step. They should have actually told in the email itself, or they could have actually told in the email itself that they have right now provided the drivers for the Infinix Y4 Max in their website, or they have updated it. They should have told me, but they didn't. Till now, I have seen even more newer kind of Infinix laptop drivers being available on that particular website of the Carl Care kind of service, and that's really good for actually the brand or the consumers who have actually bought the laptops. So in future, if you're buying an Infinix laptop in India, of course, if they are available in future, and if you have bought a really new model, I would say just wait for a couple of months. And if the laptop drivers are still not available in the website, I would say just mailing to the Carl Care kind of service, and then the drivers will be available in their website, or somehow they will make it available in their website after you mail them or something like that. So that's my theory. In the last couple of days, I have seen a lot of people facing issues with their laptops in Twitter, and one guy that I saw, I don't actually remember his name, but I'll actually put a screenshot of his tweet. And about that, let me talk about it a little bit, because that guy had a Realme laptop and that guy had a Asus laptop, both. So he just actually made a point, or he just actually clarified that buying a laptop from a legacy brand doesn't guarantee that it will last for a very long time, because Asus is also a very known kind of laptop brand, just like any other HP, Dell, etc. And of course, their laptops should have provided better service, but they just simply didn't. And it's very relatable to the smartphones, because Like for smartphones, even if you notice the latest ones like the OnePlus and the Samsung kind of display issues, etc., right now they are facing the green line kind of issues, etc., and it's very bad out there. But here, let me talk about it. I have been using a Xiaomi phone since a very long time, like not this one, even I have used Xiaomi phones in the past. This is a Poco A5 that I have been using. If you are my subscriber, you should already know that. And I have been a Xiaomi user for a very long time. Yes, I have faced issues like with my Redmi Note 10 Pro. I have faced issues with like front camera being dead, and I had to do CPU repolying and stuff. So the whole point is that you can face issues even with very known brand kind of products, and you can face issues even with the unknown kind of brand products. But the thing is, where you are getting the most value for money is the most important thing, in my opinion, that you should look for before buying any kind of electronic goods, because they can actually fail with time and usage, but it's totally depending on the overall quality check of the products that they have done. And about the service, it's totally depending upon with the brand, that how they are actually providing in your area, how is the service quality and stuff. Now let's get back to the point about the drivers. Well, and there are separated options like the audio, network, graphics, etc. drivers, and you can click on the all driver option so that you get the full driver. Also there is a OS or system driver option. This is, I think, the whole OS, and you can actually install it if you have somehow messed up your Windows on your Infinix laptop. So this is nice. Also, you can click on the all drivers, and let me just show you how it will look like. When you click on it, you will get into a website where there is some Chinese texts, but that's fine. You can actually download it from right here. And with all the drivers, it's actually 758 MB almost for this specific laptop. Yes, you can download the laptop drivers without any problems, but there is a twist about it. I have been using PCs and all for a very long time, like maybe 10 plus years. So mostly for Intel PCs or Intel laptops or even AMD stuff, you will get a exe file which actually install the drivers like separately, or maybe it will automatically install all the drivers. That's how it's done. But here for the Infinix laptop, the drivers doesn't come with a specific exe file, but instead here you will get an install.bat, and that is a batch file. So I think that will install all the drivers separately. So just instead of a exe file, you will get a batch file over here, and that's a good thing. You can install all the drivers together with this batch file, hopefully. It's a lot of weird looking files that you will see. Let me actually show you right now how the drivers actually look like for the Infinix laptop. So at least the Infinix laptop drivers are available in their website, and you can actually download them and install them supposedly. And I don't think you should be really afraid about it. Now, of course, you may or may not like to buy a laptop from a brand like this, or even any other mobile brand or phone brand coming out with their laptops. So you know what I'm talking about, of course. You gotta give it to the brand, in my opinion, who are actually trying to provide really good value for your money in a specific price bracket. And for a competitive market like India, I would say that is a really good thing. There are a lot of legacy manufacturers or legacy laptop makers cannot actually match even to this date. And in case again, if you're wondering about my laptop or my Infinix Y4 Max, how it's working, and till now I would say it's been about 4 months that I have been actually using it almost daily, and I use it for about 5 to 6 hours every day for casual tasks mostly. And with that, I would say yes, the battery life it's really good, but I mostly use it plugged in, and I have never faced any kind of blue screen or like black screen, or the laptop did not actually crash on me at all. Most of the time that I have been using, it's just working flawlessly. Yes, I shut it down sometimes, I even take it on sleep sometimes, but I have never faced any kind of like full battery drain issue or anything. Even when I keep it on idle in sleep mode or stuff like that, it just drains about like 5 to 6% battery overnight, I would say. That's it. I am very happy with my purchase, and for the price that I got it, you can actually see it on my review. I have talked about it, and I would say that's a really good value for money that this laptop has provided me. So that pretty much concludes this video. Let me know in the comments how you feel about it, and please share this video if you found this video helpful to your friends. Don't forget to give it a like, and please subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. This is Tito from KDN Tech signing off for today, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.